Good morning, children. I'm your grade 5 social studies teacher. Write today's date, beta 12-11-2020. Subject social studies, class 5, block 11, rise of nationalism. Today we are going to write our classwork, beta. Okay. See, children, block 11, rise of nationalism. We are going to write our question and answers. You know how to start. See today's date. These are only your keywords. Your glossaries are only your keywords. They are in page number 73. And write keywords, glossaries. Then you write the fill in the blanks. The Indian National Congress INC was formed by Allen Octave Hume, dash, dash and dash were the extremists in the INC, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai. Next one, third one. Dash was one of the moderate leader in the INC, Lala Lajpat Rai. Next, fourth one. Dash, who was a victory of India, divided Bengal into two parts. Lord Cruikshank. Next one. In 1907, the Dash was divided into two parts, INC, Indian National Congress. Okay, next. These are your question answers. Cut second one and write first one. Cut fifth one and write second one. Cut sixth one and write third one. Cut seventh question and write fourth question. Cut eighth question and write fifth question. See, children, it is very clear. Okay, fill in the blanks and what question answers? You should write only 5 question answers. Now see, first answer. I'll show you my old book, how they have written. I want you all to write like this neatly. See, children, block 11, rise of nationalism. See, these are your keywords. Then you write your glossaries. Then you write your fill in the blanks. Then you write your question answers. See, who were the leader of INC? What was the aim? See, children, answer is very clear. The leaders of INC were S.N. Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Second point, I want everyone to write answers in point wise. Their aim was that Indians should have the freedom to make their own laws. Second question, describe the Swadeshi movement. This answer is there in your reader. Okay, page number 71, it is there in your reader. Protest march were held. See here, children, you write from here, beta. This answer, page number 71, you write this full. Second answer, page number 7, this full you write, no problem. Okay. Third answer, third one. What led to the formation of the INC? See here, answer is very clear. You can zoom and see. People were already unhappy with the British rule because they did not have any freedom in their own country. Through English education, India came to know how US had fought against the British. This gave them idea how to fight for freedom with the help of the postal service and telegram service. Fourth point, people could not tell everyone about the need to fight against the British. With the help of the railway, they could travel from one place to another, give speech and spread the love for the country. Some educated Indians like Allen Octave Hume came together with the common goal to fight to form INC. This answer is very clear. Third answer. Fourth one. Why was Bengal divided? How did the Indians react to this? According to the British government, Bengal was too large to rule, so it was best to divide it into two parts. First part for Muslims and other for Hindus. Hindus and Muslims decided to fight against the British. Partition of Bengal led to the Swadeshi movement or the boycott movement. People shouted slogans and boycott office and British goods. Okay, children, how many answers over now? First answer, second answer, third answer, fourth answer. Now last answer, fifth answer. What is fifth question now? See here. What is fifth question? Why did our freedom fighters have to use different methods to fight against the British? See. Why did our freedom fighters have to use different methods to fight against the British? Our freedom fighters used different methods to fight against the British because one method would not help them to get freedom. Sometimes a violent method would harm the British directly, and sometimes Indians felt that peaceful way of requesting would make the British realize that Indians were unhappy. Fifth answer, it is very clear. Again, I am showing you the question answer. C. First answer. Second answer is in your reader, page number 71. Third answer. See children, it is very clear. I want everyone to write point wise. Fourth answer. And fifth answer. Only 5 I am giving you children. Okay? Okay, complete it. Children, see your class activity better now. After completing your classwork, see, write like this, class activity. Stick picture of INC, Indian National Congress, and write few lines about them. Stick picture of that. It is there in your reader, and write few lines about that. Okay? Okay children, hope you all understood. Have a nice day.